Hello scale modelers from YouTube, and welcome to my channel. This is the final reveal for the first responder group build, hosted by Flying Fortress RC. In the description down below, I have links for his channel, as well as for the group build announcement videos. This group build is running from July 1st to November 1st, 2023, and is open to any scale police, fire, ambulance, tow truck, light flight choppers, or any other first responder vehicle model kits. For this group build, my choice was this Chevy Impala Police Car. The model kit is from Revell, number 07068, in 1/25th scale. And, as I showed before, all sub-assemblies were prepared, just waiting for the clear coat to be cured. So, here she is. This was not a difficult model to build, as I built it box stock, and even the two-tone paint job was easy to do, because the borders between the colors, black and white, are made mainly based on the panel lines of the doors, and by the separation of the windows with the rooftop. The decals were also very good, and accepted the clear coat over them, without problems. The wheels were painted black and silver, as described in the manual, and the final assembly was also easy. The joining of the chassis with the body did not give any problems, because the fitting points are well defined, and 2 tightening screws are also supplied. The interior was painted mostly dark gray, with some details silver, and the trims on the side panels, as well as on the dashboard made with metal foil. The computer and the shotgun that are inside were detail painted in a similar way as described in the manual, and for the floor, as well as for the rear tray, I used black flocking to give those areas a carpet look. Since this is a curbside model, the chassis is very basic, with the bottom of the engine, the suspension components, as well as the exhaust system, molded in. It was a pleasure to have joined the group build. I really enjoyed building the kit, and I'm happy how it came out. I hope you like it too, and stay tuned, because I also have static photos at the end. Along with the build, I will put a police figure on the display shelf. Even if the figure is in 1/24th scale, and the car in 1/25th scale, I think it's still acceptable. Many thanks to all my subscribers, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below, with any question or feedback. See you in the next video.